How to see all deleted apps on your Android device. If you are looking to see all the apps you have previously installed but have since deleted from your Android device, here's a simple guide to help you out. First of all, you have to open up your Google Play Store, find and tap on the Google Play Store on your device. You have to tap on the profile icon which is on the upper right corner. Once you have tapped on this, you have to just go for the Manage App and Devices from the menu. And here you have to just tap on the Manage option. Once you have tapped on the Manage option, which is usually located at the top of the corner, top of the screen, and you have to tap on the drop down menu that typically says install here. Just tap on that and go for the not installed or deleted app. You will see a list of apps that were previously installed but are no longer available on your device. With the help of this process, you will easily see all deleted apps on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.